In this eLearning, we're going to see how to add a new customer. Go to the customer management, and as soon as the form pops up on the bottom, you click add new customer. In a new tab, you're going to have the forms. Cursor will be already positioned on the business name. I'm going to say Hanks Ranch LLC. You don't have to worry about the sort ID, which should populate automatically for you. Going to be Mr. Thomas J. Hanks, and his spouse is Susan. So as you can see, the sort ID is already formatted and in a mask. We're going to see later how to do that. It's under tools and options. I'm just tabbing over. Practice, primary practices in case you have more than one branch. Region, it can be different areas, so the program can separate customer lists based on different regions in your county or areas, north, south, west, east. It's up to you. It's not required though. You can just skip that. Then you're going to have the primary doctor that will service this customer if you want to have a list per doctor and so on. Now we're going to get here into the, well, active. Flag is just a flag, and if it is charged APR. Flag is just a mark that you can select customers based on the flag, but I prefer to use tags, which we're going to explore later as well. Charge APR if the customer has outstanding balances, if it should charge outstanding, interest rates on outstanding balances. Now here on the description, you can have different types of phones. You can either type a particular phone here, or you can also massage the items in the list, the default items, so you don't have to type it each time. If you start just typing, it's going to pick that thing for you. Let me take here my caps locks, that is. It's messed up. I turn off the caps locks. Here we go. Now it's working. And another thing that is interesting here, it's about the mask. So you can set up a mask, and I'm going to show you how to do that in another lesson. But basically you can, as soon as you enter the mask, it will format that automatically for you, and you don't have to worry about that. Fill up the rest. Title of the address is exactly the same like here in the description. You can add different ones, and it's not required. Email address is a good thing to have, and this is the website for that customer. Here about customer tags. Probably if you are dealing with a new website, a new database, this is empty. We're going to talk about tags as well. So just ignore this part here for now. But fill it up with as much information as you have. As soon as you complete, just save. And you're going to have the customer management and the new customer account in a new file. From this point here, you're good to go. Start adding the first patients for that customer. And today you learn how to enter a new customer file in WO6 Option. Thanks for watching.